In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to scale your dropshipping store to $500,000 per month in 2025. Proven strategies will help you succeed. Identifying high-profit products is crucial. Learn how to select the most profitable items by analyzing market demand and trends. A user-friendly, high-converting store is essential for scaling. We'll guide you through key design elements for boosting conversions. Run targeted and cost-effective ads. Learn how to scale your budget and optimize campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Build an email and SMS marketing strategy to retain customers and boost repeat purchases, crucial for sustained growth. As you scale, automating processes is essential. Learn to automate fulfillment, customer service, and marketing workflows. Optimize your sales funnel and use retargeting ads to bring back potential buyers who didn't convert the first time. Analyze your data for informed decisions about products and strategy. Use analytics to identify what's working. By the end, you'll have a clear blueprint for scaling your dropshipping store to $500,000 per month, achieving long-term success.